Let me guess, you don't know? And you have a lot of questions? Well, keep watching as we dive into the world of knowledge and give you a lot of useful tips and information. Stay tuned! Our bodies age. There's no escaping it. But have you ever wondered what actually causes aging? Aging is a natural biological process that takes place as we grow older. It is a complex phenomenon that affects every aspect of our lives, from our physical health to our mental well-being. But have you ever wondered what is behind the process of aging? The secret to aging lies in our DNA. Our cells contain genetic instructions that control how we grow, develop, and age. These instructions are encoded in our DNA, which is the blueprint for our bodies. Scientists have been studying the genetics of aging for decades. They have discovered that certain genes are responsible for regulating the aging process. These genes control the production of proteins that help our cells function properly, repair damage, and fight off disease. But genetics is not the only factor that influences how we age. Environmental factors such as diet, exercise, and exposure to toxins also play a role in determining how healthy we are as we grow older. While environmental factors such as diet and lifestyle can play a role, genetics also have a significant impact on our aging process. Scientists have identified specific genes that contribute to aging, including those involved in DNA repair, inflammation, and cellular signaling. By studying these genes and their functions, we can gain a better understanding of the aging process as a whole. And this knowledge is already leading to new treatments and interventions. For example, drugs that target specific aging-related genes could help delay the onset of age-related diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Additionally, gene therapy has the potential to not only treat age-related diseases, but to actually slow down the aging process itself. Of course, there are still many challenges to overcome in order to fully harness the potential of genetic-based aging treatments. But with continued research and innovation, the possibilities are truly exciting. So while aging may be a fact of life, it doesn't have to mean a decline in health and quality of life. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one!